Why are there not more people talking about the easiest fixes when your Lenovo laptop refuses to turn on? Seriously, it's often something simple. Let's troubleshoot together step by step. First, check your power connections. Make sure the adapter's plugged in tight and test a different outlet just in case. If you spot damage on your charger, swap it out. Next, give your laptop a power nap. Unplug everything, remove the battery if you can, then hold the power button for 30 seconds. Plug it all back in and try again. Still nothing? Hook up an external monitor. If that works, your screen might be the culprit. Try the Windows key plus Ctrl, Shift, and B together to reset your display. Boot into safe mode by tapping F8. If you see life, update your graphics drivers. Nothing worked? Time to call Lenovo support or a repair tech. Stay calm, you've got this.